Okay, it's QVT time. If you have or ever have a one-piece waistband that's going to be folded over at the top, but not connected at the top, cut one of fabric, cut one of interfacing, but your fabric is a little thick. Mine is a little thick. I don't want this whole thing interfaced. So here's what you can do. Take the measurement of your waistband, and mine is 3.5. Divide that by 2 because it's going to be folded. 1.75. So I'm going to cut my interfacing 1.75 by the length, which is 39. And I'm going to iron my interfacing on to the notched edge, because this is the part that's going to be connected to your pants. And that's it. So now you got half of your waistband interfacing. It's not going to be super stiff, and it works if you have a thicker fabric. Hope this helps.